Automation tools in GarageBand iOS can be used to program automated changes in volume on a track. In this video, we'll be covering how to use the automation tools in GarageBand for iOS. Before watching this video, make sure to check out the rest of the videos in this series so you're all caught up. You can also subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get notified whenever we release new videos on GarageBand iOS or home recording. To use the automation tools in GarageBand iOS, we must go to the Tracks view at the top first. Then select the track that you want to apply automation to by pressing the track icon on the left side of the screen. This will highlight the track. From there, click that icon again, which will show the track tools. We can see the automation control comes up now. With the automation turned on for the track, slide the pen switch in the top left to the on position by sliding it to the right. Now we can draw points on our automation lane at different points in time that will then adjust the level. We can drag these points up or down to change the level, or drag them in time to adjust the timing. Automate just one section of a song to be lower or higher than another section, we should add 4 automation points. 2 automation points right at the beginning of that section, and 2 automation points at the end of that section. This can allow for a rapid transition between 2 points in time instead of a gradual slope. Whenever you're using the automation tools, just make sure to balance the panning and volume of all your tracks prior to automating. It's quite difficult to change the volume for the overall track after you've started applying automation. To remove the automation, we can make sure we're back with the pen tool activated and press all the points to delete them. Once we're done using automation, we can just click the Done button in the top right corner of the screen to close the automation. The automation controls will continue in the background, but they won't be visible taking up our screen space. Unfortunately, the automation tools in GarageBand iOS are still quite limited at this time. It does not have the same range of automation features that would be present on a digital audio workstation that's on a computer. We can automate just the volume of a track, but we're not able to automate other functions such as panning and effect controls. If you wanted to automate these tools, you could duplicate tracks with different effect settings or panning on each of the tracks and adjust the volume to automate between those tracks. This can get a little bit more tedious, but you do have a little bit more control with GarageBand iOS than just the volume if you use this trick. Thanks for checking out this video on using GarageBand iOS for automating track changes. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel. You can also check out the video description for links to social media accounts to stay up to date on all our new content.